Today we're looking at a projector that's built for situations where visibility matters more than anything else. Large rooms, bright environments, long sessions, and zero tolerance for failure. This is the ViewSonic LS740HD, a full HD laser projector pushing 5,000 lumens, and it's designed to be a dependable workhorse for professional and educational use. The first thing you notice is brightness. 5,000 lumens completely changes how a projector behaves in real spaces. This isn't something that needs a dark room to look good. Lights can stay on, windows don't have to be covered, and the image still holds strong. Text remains readable from a distance, colors stay balanced, and visuals don't fade under pressure. That makes it ideal for conference rooms, lecture halls, training centers, and auditoriums where control over lighting is limited. Resolution here is 1080p, which is more than enough for presentations, videos, charts, and learning content. Everything looks sharp and properly detailed without putting extra strain on systems. Small text stays clean, edges look crisp, and video playback feels smooth. It's the kind of clarity that works across a wide range of use cases without needing constant adjustments. A major advantage of this projector is the laser light source. Instead of traditional lamps that lose brightness over time and need replacing, laser projection delivers consistent performance for years. That means lower maintenance, fewer interruptions, and long-term cost savings. For institutions and businesses running projectors daily, this alone makes a big difference. Installation flexibility is another strong point. The 1.3x optical zoom allows you to adjust image size without physically moving the projector, which is incredibly useful in fixed setups. Horizontal and vertical keystone correction helps straighten the image when placement isn't perfect, and four-corner adjustment lets you fine-tune each corner individually. This makes setup faster, easier, and far less frustrating in real-world rooms. The ability to project at 360 degrees adds even more versatility. Ceiling mounts, angled installations, vertical layouts, and creative signage setups are all possible. This opens the door for non-traditional use cases in exhibitions, digital displays, and modern learning environments. From a design standpoint, the projector stays professional and minimal. It's clearly made to blend into workspaces rather than stand out. The build feels solid, ventilation is well thought out, and everything about it suggests long-term reliability. It's designed to run for hours without drawing attention to itself, which is exactly what you want in serious environments. Connectivity is practical and reliable, supporting the most commonly used inputs for laptops, presentation systems, and media sources. There's no learning curve here. Plug it in, set it up, and it works. That kind of simplicity matters when you're presenting live or teaching a class and can't afford technical delays. This projector isn't aimed at casual home use or cinematic movie nights. Instead, it's focused on performance, brightness, and dependability. Schools, offices, training facilities, and large venues will get the most value here, especially where long operating hours and consistent quality are required. In everyday use, the ViewSonic LS740HD does exactly what it's supposed to do. It delivers strong brightness, clear full HD visuals, flexible installation options, and the reliability of laser technology. If you're searching for a projector that can confidently handle large screens, bright rooms, and long-term use without constant maintenance, this is a solid option worth considering. If you're interested in buying the ViewSonic LS740HD 5000 lumens 1080p laser projector, you'll find the purchase link in the description below with the latest pricing and availability.